Well, another 80-degree day outside. She's a doozy. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a surprise here. We got a surprise here. What is that? What is that? Oh yeah. Woo. Yeah, it's 80 in here. Oh yeah. Well, after all that huffing and puffing, just like your old lady does, pulls it out, isn't quite actually what you expect. It's a 12-incher. Can you see it? That's your new sight glass. It's your fuel gauge. Since we're in the market for small and cute, check out this bad boy. Little hobby welder. It's a 110 stick. Ain't that sweet? Bubbles and squeak. I got this bad boy off Marketplace. Not too bad, actually. I don't think there's a whole tank of gas that's ever been through it. It's pretty nice and cute. The guy in the ad said it ran, there's no issues. He got it back, you know, I gave him the money and said it's all good to go. Didn't quite see the problem at first. It was kind of dark outside. I think it's one of those things there we found in the back alley there on friggin' No Daddy Alley. When I seen it, I thought it was all good to go. The problem wasn't too visible to me. It was kind of transparent. I can't make this stuff up, guys. This is exactly how I got it. I think somebody had a little boo-boo. On a serious note, for real, I got these cool plastic welding sticks. Just put a coat of plastic weld over top of all that. First get rid of the glass. Little sealer. Good to go.